Let's make some stickers. Alright, so I got my iPad here, and I know I'm usually doing my illustrations in Adobe Illustrator for iPad, but today we're going to use Procreate because I know a lot of you are using Procreate on the iPad. I've already got an idea of what kind of stickers I want to make. I've been playing with a drippy paint, goo, slime type style lately, and I'm going to make some stickers based off that you can put on different things to make it look like it's oozing. Alright, let's jump into Procreate. So like I said, I know I want to do some kind of slime sticker, so I'm just going to draw some random organic shapes, and then I'm going to fill it in, and I'll start adding some highlights and shadows, and that's what's going to make it look 3D and like it's flowing. I'm using the studio pin in Procreate, but really you can do whatever you want. I just wanted to show you that you can use Procreate to make your stickers. It doesn't always have to be Illustrator like I use. Alright, I've got everything drawn up in Procreate, so now I'm going to send it to my computer so I can print it and send it to the Cricut. So all I did was export from Procreate as a PNG, and I'm just going to layer it inside the Cricut software and send it to the printer. If you haven't seen any of my other videos, I'm using the Epson ET2800. I really like the quality of this printer and I would highly recommend it. Print turned out great, so now I can send it to the Cricut and we can start cutting it out. The Cricut I'm using is called the Cricut Maker, and it really does a good job. If you're doing die cut stickers like I'm doing here, you want to make sure that your Cricut is calibrated right because it's going to cut right up to the edge. Alright, just pulled these off the printer. I'm super pumped with the quality. I actually like them so much, I'm going to make them in 3 other different colors because I want to have some variety. So let's do that. So I very easily could have gone back and just remade these illustrations, but I don't want to do that. Nobody wants to go back and redo what they've already done. So what I'm doing is I'm just changing the hue and saturation in Procreate to make different variations in color of this illustration. Alright, so all of them came out really good. I've got the original one that I did, the pink, and then I've got the orange, green, blue, and I really like how these are turning out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find some different things that I can stick them to around the house. These stickers ended up being so much fun. I don't know what it is about it, but I love the idea that there's slime leaking from these objects, and I can just put them on anything, and it makes it look like that, so I don't know, maybe I'm just weird, but I think they look really cool and I had a lot of fun with them. Well guys, that's all I got for you today. These stickers turned out dope. I'm so excited about them. If you want to grab some of these, I'll have my Etsy link in the description below. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up for me. And if you want to see content like this in the future, make sure you're subscribed. Well guys, I appreciate you being here. Until the next time, peace.